One man believed every child deserves quality education. His name was Sheikh Ahilyanagar Podar. In his vision, the first Podar school was established in Mumbai. He believed that education has the power to transform lives, families, and nations. The father of our nation, the Mahatma Gandhi, became the first president of our Ahilyanagar Podar Trust. His faith in this mission reminds us that true education is built on service, truth, and responsibility. These values still guide every Podar school today. A dream never stands still, it keeps growing. Like a tiny seed become a mighty tree, Podar kept teaching new hearts and new hope. In 1927, the very first Podar school opened in Santa Cruz, Mumbai. A dream had begun, anchored, a journey began. One school, one vision, one family. Every great journey begins with a one dream. 2004, the first Podar International School outside Mumbai opened its branches in spread. In 2009, Podar reached Karnataka's first school in Assam. In 2010, Gujarat proud to welcome Podar in Ahmedabad. In 2012, Madhya Pradesh became the part of the Podar family through Indore. In 2013, Podar is Raipur to spread knowledge in Chhattisgarh. In 2014, Podar continued its journey to Gaya in Bihar and Patiala in Punjab. In 2018, a proud milestone was achieved. 100 Podar International School opened its doors. The team continues to grow. One dream, many milestones, found success story. In 2019, Podar reached Tirupati and Andhra Pradesh. In 2020, Podar reached West Bengal. In 2021, Goa welcomed Podar in Panigir. In 2023, Podar reached Telangana. Podar boundaries expanded beyond India. In 2015, the network set up its very first branch in Dubai, UAE, bringing early childhood innovation to the world. From Mumbai in 1927 to Dubai in 2015 and Doha and Qatar in 2022. Podar journey reminds us that dreams have no borders. As Podar students, wherever we go, let us carry knowledge, value, and kindness, making India proud across the world. The future is those who dare to dream beyond boundaries. Trees never grow from themselves. They grow to pure shade, to pure warmth, and children. Just like Podar. Today, this one tiny seed has become a 165 Podar International School. Together with 135 partner schools, our family continues to grow stronger. More than 400 Podar is free schools where every little learner is the very first step towards a bright future. Every year, over 275,000 students learn, love, discover, and dream under the Podar family. But Podar's greatest achievement is not its number. Its greatest achievement is every child's smile and every parent's trust. Today, Podar Education Network has grown into one of the India's largest educational groups, educating thousands of students through schools across many cities. Guided by thousands of passionate teachers, every student learns to think, to question, imagine, and become a responsible citizen. Podar believes every child is curious, confident, creative, and compassionate. Every teacher carries every dream light up the sky. Podar is not just a network of schools, it's a family of people. From our interactive fun classroom that clearly learning trips to fields and local markets, we live the vision every day. Proving every single day that our education is the more than we grow unshakable confidence. Modern classroom, smart learning, sports, performing arts, innovation labs, every child has the opportunity to grow. We practice global human rights. We are forever Embrace challenges with curiosity and confidence. Every single student feels safe, valued, impressed with our hand. Learn, grow, collaborate and grow every day. We respect others and celebrate every opportunity together. We prepare for tomorrow by learning new skills for today. Today we are not just students, we are ambassadors of Podar. Together we promise to dream fearlessly, to learn continuously, to respect everyone, to serve society, to make our parents proud, to make our teachers proud. Now let us turn our gaze to our own childhood years in Ahilyanagar. Our campus has our own golden milestone day. Every single year on 21st of June, we celebrate our official foundation day, marking a moment this century learning open to us. Our Ahilyanagar campus is incredibly blessed. Today, we want to express our deepest gratitude and gratefulness to a very special people. We speak about our who has guided us the day was at the very first principle of Podar International School, Ahilyanagar. Here we stand at the heart of this legacy, Podar International School, Ahilyanagar. Sir, you didn't build the school, you built a house that everyone can train, encourage and inspire to. From guiding your teachers to motivating the possible, your heart to teachers, strategy of a standard. Thank you, sir, for your endless patience, your brilliant leadership, and your so much more than this and me. Your legacy has inspired teachers to do their best, encouraged students to believe in themselves, and united parents, staff, and children into one strong Podar family. Every smile, every achievement, and every success story carries a reflection of your vision. Every achievement we celebrate is possible because of inspiring leadership. Respected Principal Sir, thank you for believing in every child. Thank you for encouraging us to dream beyond textbook. Thank you for reminding us that success is not measured only by marks, but also by kindness, discipline, and character. Thank you, sir. On behalf of every student, we express our thanks to you. You are not only a principal, you are a guide, a mentor, and an inspiration. Thank you, sir. 99 years of wisdom, innovation, and unwavering research. As Podar concerns tonight, the refined Galileo salutes a century long promise of quality education. Standing on the doorway of 100 grand years, we are proud to call ourselves Podarites. As we celebrate the glorious journey of Podar, let us remember that history is not written in books. It is written by students who choose to learn, teachers who choose to inspire, leaders who choose to serve. Now play the 5th Galileo is presenting dance performance on your favorite song.